Hey guys, thank you so much for coming into our free video training that I've prepared for you, especially for you. I'm Coach IC and I've been trading the crypto markets, forex markets, and PSE for the past 3 years of my life. And I was also a professional geologist working in the mining industry for the past 4 years. And I decided to pursue another career, which is this coaching. I hope na I can create value because I've been doing this for like the past 3 years of my life, and I've coached around 200 students, paid and unpaid. And I'd like to thank you for spending time to actually click through because I've prepared something special for you. I just wanted to tell you kung para kanino to mga training na to. Para sa mga taong willing mag-commit ng time, willing mag-spend ng money, willing mag-learn ng new skill, and hindi get rich quick mindset. Okay? It's because, to tell you honestly, trading is not easy. Okay? It will take time to actually become a profitable and successful trader. So sa simula pa lang, ito yung mga taong gusto ko na nakikinig sa training ko or magko-commit with me for this training video. Number 1 is someone who is committed to learning. Number 2 is yung gigil matuto. Number 3 is yung taong hindi takot mag-fail. And number 4 is yung taong willing mag-spend ng time to learn a new skill. For today's topic, I'm actually sharing my screen right here, right now. We're going to talk all about basics of technical analysis. So here's the screen right now. And to tell you how I teach, I don't use PowerPoint. Okay. Our topic for today is all about basics of technical analysis. So here's the outline. We'll talk about what is technical analysis. We'll do some basic price chart reading. We'll do some basic candlestick reading. We'll discuss all about rest and rally concept and the 3 market movements. Ito lang yung nakapaloob sa ating free video training. Without further ado, let's start with the first topic. What is technical analysis? So, technical analysis for me is the ability to forecast the charts, okay, using price patterns, previous price movements, and market structures. Sa isang trader, okay, isang pinakamahalagang skill ng isang trader is kung paano siya mag-TA or mag-technical analysis. So basically, if you are a technical trader, if you are a technical analyst, most of your time is nakalulong sa charts. That's my definition of technical analysis. It's just basically the study of previous price patterns, previous price movements, and being able to forecast or predict kung saan pupunta yung market based doon sa study na yan. Okay, so that's technical analysis. Okay, so as you can see here in our chart, here's a price chart. So you can see here, hindi nyo pa maintindihan. It's because you need to know how to read the chart. Sa y-axis, guys, doon mo makikita yung price, and yung x-axis, doon mo makikita yung time. Based sa nakikita natin dito, okay, yung y-axis, dito sa right-hand side ng chart, price chart, this is your price, and your x-axis represents the time. So, ibig sabihin yan, technical analysis is basically analysis of price going through time. So, that's another definition of technical analysis. Dito na-discuss natin yung basic parts of a price chart. So, sa y-axis, price, x-axis. So, let me just put here in a blackboard. Technical analysis is basically analyzing the study of price moving through time. Ayan. Tapos na tayo doon. Meron na tayong y-axis, alam na natin yung x-axis. Ito yung gusto kong i-take into consideration yung, okay. Ito, yung mga red and green portions ng chart. Ayan. Ito. This one. Ang tanong guys, naiintindihan niyo ba to? These are what we call Japanese candlesticks. Coach, ano ba yung candlestick? Candlesticks is basically the visual representation of price movement, okay? Visual representation of price movement. And since sa price chart, we are able to actually see the price moving through time, it's very important actually know how to read these candlesticks. Okay, so candlestick is the visual representation of price. So gets back. So ganito lang magbasa ng candlesticks. Rule of thumb sa Japanese candlesticks, kapag green ang color niya, okay, kapag green yung color ng candlesticks, it means that it is bullish or paakyat ang price. On the contrary, if you're going to see red portions of your chart, red candlesticks, it means it is bearish or pababa. Yan yung basic ng candlesticks. Let's draw something here on the chart. One thing to take note when you're looking at candlesticks, it's its relative size to other candlesticks. Okay? What I am going to discuss right here is candlesticks moving through time. As you can see, iba-iba yung sizes niya sa relative sa katabi niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin niyan, merong maliliit na candlestick, merong malalaking candlesticks, okay? Ang ibig sabihin lang yan is the size of the candlestick will determine where the markets will actually move. So, ibig sabihin, kung malalaking green candles yung nakikita mo, most likely, yung market is paakyat. Okay? Yan, paakyat yan. Kung malalaking green candles. How about malalaking red candles? Saan ba yung malalaking red candles? Nandito. Yan, no? Malalaking red candles yan. So, ibig sabihin, the markets will most likely go down or pababa. So, yan yung kailangan nyong tandaan. Okay? Candlesticks also determine the emotion, current emotion of the market. So, kapag big green candles yung nakikita nyo sa markets, big green candles, ibig sabihin yan, greed yung nananaig sa markets. Most people are actually going to buy rather than sell. Kapag big red candles naman yung nakikita mo sa markets, usually fear yung nananaig dito na markets. And how about yung mga candles na in between? So, ito yung mga candles in between, guys. Kasi in between candles, hindi siya malaki, hindi siya maliit. Maliliit talaga siya. Or hindi siya masyadong malaki, sakto lang. That is what we call indecisive candles, no? Yan, indecisive candles. Yan. Hindi nila alam kung saan pupunta. Neither bearish or bullish siya. So, I hope you understood the emotions behind candlesticks. Now, let's actually discuss the parts of a candlestick. So, I'm going to draw something here on the chart. So, yung bullish candle natin is green, yung bearish candle natin is red, and then meron yung parts, guys, of course. Merong mga parts. Parang katawan ng tao lang din yung candlestick. Meron siyang parts. So, kailangan natin tong aralin. Okay? Ito ay merong apat na parts yung candlesticks. OHLC. Yung isang Japanese candlesticks or yung price, meron siyang apat na parts. So, meron siyang open, high, low, and close. Okay? So, yung open, this is where nagbubukas yung markets. Yung price pala, sorry. Yung price. How about yung high? Yung high, this is where nag-peak yung price. Okay? How about yung low? Low, this is where nag-bottom yung price. And yung close is dito, this is where nag-preprint na yung candlestick or nagsasara na yung candlestick. Meron tayong parts ng candlestick, paliitin ko lang muna to, i-label natin siya according sa kanyang parts. Yung green candle, bullish candle siya, diba? Bullish siya. Yung red candle naman, this is your bearish candle, diba? So, yung open sa isang bullish candle is of course dito sa ilalim. Yan yung open niya. This is the high kung saan siya of course yung closing niya nandito, closing candle. And open OHL. Low. Ito yung low din niya. Yan yung low niya. So, the open dito in full-bodied candles, it means puro green yung nakikita nyo, walang buntot. So, we'll talk about that later. Is same lang yung high and yung closing niya and yung open and low niya. Sa bearish candle, guys, syempre nagbubukas yung price dito sa taas. So, yan yung open niya. Then, for full-bodied red candle, okay, full-bodied red candle, ito yung low niya, pinaka-lowest point niya. Then, ito ang close niya, and this is, yan, ito pala yung high, sorry, baliktad pala, sorry. This is your high, and this is your low. Ayan. So, I hope you understood how to actually interpret basic candlestick reading, okay? So that is through OHLC. This is for full body candles. When you say full body, lahat ng kikita nyo is puro green, puro red. But not all candlesticks are the same, okay? So meron tayong tinatawag na mga doji candles, okay? Doji candlesticks. Ano yung mga doji candlesticks? Ito yung mga candlestick na merong mga wicks, okay? And this is a sign of market rejection, okay? And doji candles are also sign of market indecisiveness, okay? So, coach, ano yung itsura ng isang doji candlestick? Ito yung itsura ng mga doji candlestick, guys. So, for bullish, yan, ito. For bearish, lagyan natin ng buntot. Ayan. So, babalik na rin ko lang, guys, ha? Wait lang. Ayan. Okay? Let's label according to the OHLC pa rin. So, open, low, open, high, low, close. Then, dadagdag natin yung wick. This is your wick. This is your wick, yung buntot. Then, of course, this is your market open. And ito yung low. Low niya, low. So, nakita nyo na yung difference sa full-bodied candles, guys. Ito yung low. Tapos, yung high niya dito. Ayan. High and close niya. High and close. And then, sa bearish na doji candle, okay, is yung open niya is dito. Open niya dyan. Ito, yung dulo niya, that is your high. And then, dito yung low and close niya sa baba. Now, listen very carefully because this is very, very, very important for basic technical analysis using Japanese candlesticks. Sabi ko kanina, wicks are signs of market rejection. So, ibig sabihin yan, coach, is, ano ibig sabihin yan? Okay? Meron kang open, dito bumukas yung price, tapos, biglang nagkaroon ng selling pressure. So, nag-drop siya bahagya dito sa low. And then, merong bumili dito. Tapos, tinulak yung presyo pataas. So, para siyang bola, guys. Bola. Imagine nyo na lang, merong bola. So, open yung price. Tinenable mo siya, tumalbog. Nangyari, tumalbog siya dito. Then, dito siya nagsara yung price. Okay? So, dito naman is, ito nagbukas yung price. Dito nagbukas yung price sa bearish. Tumalbog, nauntog dito. Nauntog dito sa high. Ang nangyari is, bumaba siya. So, that's the easiest way I can actually explain market rejection. Possible, dito na area, merong sellers. Kaya nauntog yung price. Kaya bumaba siya. Dito naman, possible area of support ito or kung saan merong bumibili. Kaya, na-reject at itinulak yung price paakyat. Dito naman nauntog kaya itinulak yung price pababa. So that's how I can explain doji candlesticks. I hope you understand that. Now we know how to read Japanese candlesticks. So just to quick recap, Japanese candlesticks are just the visual representation of price movement through time. Kasi yun naman yung ina-analyze natin as technical analyst. I hope na meron kayong natutunan doon. Now, we are going to discuss all about rest and rally concept. So ano nga ba yung rest and rally concept? Yung markets kasi guys, dalawa lang yung ginagawa niya basically. Siya ay nagre-rest and then nagra-rally. Tapos, nagre-rest, then nagra-rally naman. So, yung rest, in other words, pahinga siya. While yung rally naman, this is your sahod rally is nagiging impulsive na yung markets or umaakyat na ang markets in this case. One thing to note is, hindi all the time umaakyat yung markets in a straight line. But rather, the markets moves in waves. That's very important, guys. The markets does not move in straight lines but rather in waves. So, ibig sabihin, kapag meron kang ganyan na move, rally, then followed by rest. Then after ng rest, magrarally naman yung markets, then magre-rest, then magrarally naman yung markets, then magre-rest. Paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ni markets. Another way of explaining that one is yung rest. This is your jogging or walking. And then your rally is sprinting. No? So ang tanong ko sa inyo guys is, yung tao ba, kaya niya bang mag-sprint 100 meters or 1 kilometer straight na sprint lang lahat? 'Di ba? Hindi. It's because kailangan magpahinga in between. So ganun yung markets. Yung rest is nagpapahinga ka. Naghahanap ka ng buwelo, naghahanap ka ng tempo para ka makatakbo. Rest is jogging, nagjo-jogging yung markets or nagwo-walking. And rally is tumatakbo na yung markets. So I hope you understood that one. This is very important. So I'm going to show you how it works in the real markets. Okay. So I'm going to use Japanese candlestick. Ito yun. As you can see, this is your rally. This is your rest. Then rally. Then ibig sabihin, nagre-rest yung markets kayo. There will come a time na magra-rally na naman yung markets. So from there, we can label this one as your rest, your rally. And then, meron tayong rest, market rest. Yeah, market rest. And then, another market. Yes. As an exercise, guys, no, if you wanted to become good technical analyst, you should know how to utilize the rest and rally concept. Okay? This is very important. Another one. This is your rally. This is your rest. Then, meron ka na namang rally. Meron ka ng rest. Meron kang rally. Merong rest. Merong rally. Rally. Merong rest. Then, rally na naman yung gagawin ni markets. So, paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ni markets. So, I hope you understood the rest and rally concept. It's one way of actually simplifying on how to analyze the markets. So for our last topic, for our free training video, I'm going to discuss all about the three main market movements. Okay? So ano nga ba yung tatlong ginagawa ni market? So paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ni market sa rest and rally, di ba? Meron yan, tatlong ginagawa sa markets. Number 1 is uptrend. Number 2 is downtrend. And number 3 is ranging markets. Okay. Ranging, sideways, consolidation market. Or you can call this resting markets. Marami siyang terms, guys. So, uptrend, by definition, uptrend, number 1 is series of higher highs and higher lows. So, ano ang itsura niyan, coach, ng isang uptrend? So, meron akong higher high from a bottom, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Meron kang higher high, HH, meron kang higher low, meron ka na namang higher high, meron ka na namang higher low, and so forth, and so on, and so forth. So paulit-ulit lang yung ginagawa ni markets. Higher high and higher lows. So coach, ano itsura ng isang uptrend markets? So pakita ko sa inyo. Uptrend markets looks like this. This is very important, guys. So, for example, meron tayong gold on the daily time frame. There-is ko lang lahat ng drawings. Let's label. This is a local bottom. Yan o, bottom yan. Nag-bottom out yung markets dyan. This is your higher high. Ayun. Higher high, higher low. This is your higher high. And then this is higher low. Then higher high. And then may higher low tayo. So, ano yung missing, guys? Para ma-complete yung isang definition ng uptrend po, kailangan mag-create ni market, ni gold, okay? In this case, si gold, kailangan niya mag-create ng another higher high. Ayun. So, does it make sense from the term? I give you the visual and I give you the application. So, that's how I teach in our The Wealthy Mindset Academy. TVA concept. So from the term, I give you the word uptrend. I defined it for you. Then I give you the visualization sa drawing. And then I give you the actual application in the chart so that you could further understand. So that's what we call an uptrend, guys. Now, number 2 na naman tayo. Okay, let's go back to our blackboard. So this is our blackboard, guys. So number 2 is your downtrend. Downtrend by definition is series of lower lows and lower highs. So let's go back to the drawing. Coming from a peak, or high market tops. Okay? Meron tayong lower low, tapos meron tayong lower high, meron tayong lower low, meron tayong lower high, then may lower low. Label lang natin para mas maintindihan natin. This is your lower low, this is your lower high, this is your lower low, and this is your lower high. And so on and so forth. So ito yung isang downtrend, guys. Ito yung itsura ng downtrend. So ano itsura niyan? Chart. So let's go back to gold na chart. So hanap tayo ng iba. So let's go to Philippine stock market. Let's analyze dito telecommunications. Adjust ko lang muna yung chart. So this is a perfect example of a downtrend, guys. Ito, yan, no? Lower low, lower high, 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 lower low. So label lang natin para mas maintindihan. This is your lower low, then this is your lower high, and then you get another lower low, then lower high, yan, lower low, lower high, and then and so on and so forth. And the last one na ginagawa ni markets is what we call ranging markets. So I hope you understand downtrend. It's series of lower lows and lower highs. So dito is a perfect example of a downtrend market. How about a ranging market? How can we define a ranging market? So let's go back to our drawing board again sa ating blackboard for this case. So ranging markets, okay, ranging markets, sideways markets, resting markets, same lang yan. This is the time na nagre-rest yung markets or nagpapahinga yung markets. And the price, yung characteristic dito, yung definition niya dito is the markets is confined in a range of price that does not go up or go down significantly. So if I could actually plot a sideways market, it looks like this. Perfect sideways market looks like that. So merong puwersa sa taas at force sa baba na nagko-confine sa kanya in this what we call trading range. Ito yung range niya, price range niya. Kasi ang nangyayari dito, guys, if for example, let's go with the ball analogy. If I have a basketball here, yung price pumunta sa floor, nag-bounce siya, pumunta siya sa ceiling, bumaba siya, then nag-bounce, nag-dribble lang yung price dito. Yan. So that is also what we call market consolidations or market rests. Anong ginagawa dito sa market rest? Usually, ranging markets, sideways markets, resting markets, guys, dito, nag-iipon ng lakas si markets. Because, one way or another, guys, okay, if the floor or the ceiling gets breached, okay, ang next mangyayari niyan is rally na, di ba? So, yun. Ranging, nag-iipon ng lakas, then either way, kung babasagin niya tong ceiling na to or pababa. Naahalin tulad ito sa taong nagja-jogging, naghahanap ng buwelo. So, very important yung maka-identify ka ng isang ranging markets or sideways markets. It's because a ranging market is actually your vitamins in your trend. Ranging markets, ito yung vitamins ng ating trend. If you see a trend like this, that is an unhealthy trend. But if you see a trend, uptrend or downtrend na ganito yung itsura, may ranging markets in between, that's what we call a healthy market. Ranging markets are actually opportunities for us to actually accumulate or position ourselves for the next rally. So it's very important to actually distinguish and identify ranging markets. Okay? So ano yung itsura ng isang ranging markets sa actual market? So papakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Don't worry. So we are here sa Philippine Stock Exchange again, and we are with Shang Properties Incorporated. So let's analyze this. So as you can see, ito dito na portion ng chart na to this is a ranging markets. Pwede mo siyang i-box yung ranging markets. Yan. Using the ball analogy again, the price went down, then umakyat dito, nagbaba na naman, nag-dribble-dribble lang yung price, okay? Nag-dribble-dribble lang. Then afterwards, ano nangyari? After siya nag-rest, nag-rally na yung markets. So therefore, yung mga ganitong galawan ng markets, ranging markets, kailangan mong ma-identify para makapitalize mo itong, mahuli mo itong mga moves na ito. So basically, nasa rest, doon tayo pumapasok. Nasa rest yung pasok, then nasa rally yung sahod. Ayun. I think that's it for free video training. I hope you've learned a lot for our basic technical analysis. It's because this is your fundamentals when you are actually approaching the markets and when you are actually studying the markets. And if you wanted to become a successful and profitable trader, you need to learn all of these terms na diniscuss ko. It's because trading is actually a series of logical arguments, and trading has a lot of terms. And if you want to pursue trading, it's like actually starting or getting another college degree. So it will actually take time to understand everything. So if you are interested sa paid mentorship natin and you are willing to commit for the next 3 months of your life, please don't hesitate to click on the schedule an appointment button dito sa baba. I hope you've learned a lot from this session. This is your Coach IC. Bye for now. Stay safe and I'll see you sa sa appointment natin. And I hope na maging estudyante kita in the next month. Bye-bye.